is up? So today's video is gonna be a little bit different. We are gonna be decorating the whole entire room for Christmas because it is November and just that time on YouTube, you guys. So we're gonna be decorating everything. I have all my Christmas decorations laid out and I'm so excited, and let's just get on right into it. Alright you guys, so to start off we just need to put up the Christmas tree. So we just need to lug this whole baby over, you guys. Like this tree, oh my goodness, I'm like dying right now. This tree is literally gonna make the biggest mess, but it's like, it's fine, it's all good. It's a blocked, beautiful tree. So let's just go ahead and let's get it on in. I feel like I need to move like this nightstand out of the way because this is where the Christmas tree is gonna be going. So we need to figure that out, so let's quickly do that. First of all, I have these candlesticks. I still want to use them in this room, but I don't know where I'm gonna put them, so I think I'm just gonna move them over to like this display cabinet that I have just on the other side. So we'll just go ahead and set them down right here, and we'll come back to them later. I have the Christmas base right here. We got the nightstand and the lamp and everything out of the way, so then we can put the Christmas base down and then get the Christmas tree on into the room. I'm guessing that we're gonna have to like scooch the bed on over a little bit just so there's enough space here. It's gonna be super messy, and then it just gets all over your clothes and everything, and it's just like one of the most annoying things ever, but it's fine. It's Christmas, it's the holiday season, and it's gonna look good. I don't even know like which, oh my goodness, there's like an ornament here from last year. I don't know which one goes first, to be honest. I'm guessing it's this first one right here. So let's go ahead, let's put this baby up, and let's see if it's gonna look good. So, oh my goodness, y'all. I don't want to get it on the bed. I don't want to flock the bed, you guys. We're definitely gonna have to scooch the bed on over. So let's go ahead and do that. I think I need to like grab this nightstand and like slide it down, I think. Just so there's like enough space without like anything like falling. I don't know, y'all. I'm like nervous. So let's get on the ground and let's pull this. Oh my goodness. I think that's good, right? That should be good. I think that gives me like enough space for everything. So let's put this tree on up, y'all. Oh my goodness. Oh, yep, she's messy, y'all. She's so messy. Let's go ahead and then let's just start fluffing up the base, and then we'll work our way up, and then I'll update you guys once the tree's all put together. So the tree is obviously put up and flocked. The one key thing that I forgot though is the Christmas tree skirt, basket, whatever you want to call it. I forgot to put it, and normally you're supposed to put this first, so I'm gonna have to just like finesse it and see how I'm gonna put it on. It shouldn't be too hard. I think I can just like wrap it around and it should be fine, but still, I'm just kind of annoyed. I was like, something's missing for the tree, but I don't know what it was, and then I remembered, and it was the little skirt. So alright, so I managed to finesse the Christmas tree skirt under here. Yeah, it's all good. It's gonna look good. We're just gonna move on to decorations, and then the final tree will be all ready. I have done this combo of decorations for, I want to say like the last like 3 years now. I love the white, I love the gold, and I love the clear ornaments. I feel like it's just like one of the most amazing combos. So let's go ahead and let's start this. So I'm gonna put this gold guy just right there. Beautiful. First ornament is now on, and I think we're gonna do like the white one next. We can do like the white one like around here. That should be good. So we got all of like the base ornaments on. Now it's time to put on like the actual decorative ornaments. And some of these I actually got last year. I think I got maybe like 2 new ones last year. And I just keep adding every year. I still have yet to buy some new ones. But we have like this fun, I don't even know, this little person. We have a fun little llama. We have like the fun little snowman too. And then some of my favorite ones that I've ever gotten were like these ones right here, which I actually got from like Walmart like 2-3 years ago. They're just absolutely some of my favorite ones, and then they're just fun like little filler pieces. So I think actually I'm gonna put this one like right here actually. I think that looks great. And then let's just go ahead, let's add the little dove and like the pines. Let's do that like right here. I think that looks good. This fun little like reindeer one makes like noises too. Really annoying, but still cute. So I think maybe we'll put this guy like right here. If I can like fit it on. Now the last and final touch, we have the beautiful gold star. I got this guy like at Target 2 years ago, and I just absolutely love it. I love the little twinkly lights that's all wrapped around it. So let's just go ahead and put this baby on. You guys, she's literally beautiful. A little impossible to get on, but nonetheless, still beautiful. In 3, 2, 1. Y'all, she's beautiful. Like, I'm actually like obsessed, you guys. She's absolutely beautiful. It just brings in like all the cozy vibes too, so I'm so excited. Now that the tree is completely set up, we just have to decorate like the rest of the room. So let's go ahead and do that. I have a bunch of decorations here that I still need to put up. I have a garland that I want to put over my bed and just bring in all the fun Christmas vibes. All right, so we have Noel, you guys. If you guys have been watching for a while, you guys would recognize Noel, one of my favorite Christmas decor pieces. Love him. I think I got him from Bath & Body Works like 2 years ago. Yeah, Bath & Body Works. And then here's the fun garland that goes over my bed. We have a happy holiday sign, a candle of course, some candle holders, some fun flocked Christmas trees. We have the Christmas pillow too, Mr. Polar Bear, which I am just obsessed with that polar bear, you guys. Literally my favorite polar bear in the entire world. One of the messiest Christmas decor decorations that I have. Oh my goodness, I should probably just do this like not on the bed, but oh my goodness, guys. Let me go ahead and unwrap this baby. Oh my goodness, y'all. Let's just go ahead and figure out where we're gonna put this baby. I need to be able to plug it in. So let me go ahead and just unwrap it. Let's go ahead, let's put Noel in his designated spot, and then let's also put up this fun little Christmas sign. You get the chair of honor, okay? This is where he goes every single year. He just looks great there, you guys. Like, I love him. I love that he's red. It just gives it a nice pop of color, and he brings in the Christmas spirit into this room. And then as for this sign right here, I don't know. Do I want, actually there's like a weird marking on the back, so I think we're gonna go with Happy Holidays. So let's go ahead and, yeah, we'll just put it there, I guess. And then I also have this fun little Santa radio that I got from TJ Maxx 2 years ago too, I want to say. And it's so fun, you guys. Like, you turn it on and then you can like change it.
This is your North Pole weather.
Like, how fun, you guys. Isn't that so fun? I just love this baby blue color too. It's one of my favorite colors. So I think we're just gonna go ahead and we're gonna stick it like right there. I found what I was looking for. This is the fun little Christmas tree. I got this from Target 2 years ago, and I'm just obsessed with it. I love the way it looks. I love the little basket. It literally still has the tag on it, and this guy's just gonna go right here in front of the mirror. And then I also have my Rhode Lip Peptide treatment in the salted caramel flavor. Absolutely love this. This is a must-have for the Christmas time and a good like stocking stuffer as well, so I highly recommend that. And then I think I'm just gonna leave the candlesticks there. I think they look great, and I think it looks good. So of course, you guys, we have to have our candles during the Christmas time, and you guys already know I love Bath & Body Works. Like, Bath & Body Works is one of my favorite places on earth, and I've done so many reviews on them, so many hauls about them, and We just have to add it, you guys. So I also have this fun little Christmas, oh my goodness, you guys. Where on earth did this key come from? This is when I went to the dealership like 2 years ago. That's so random, you guys. We're just gonna like throw that out under the bed. Anyways, we have this fun little candle holder that I got from Bath & Body Works 2 years ago, and it's one of my favorite candle holders from them that they've ever created, and it just looks amazing. So we're just gonna go ahead and put that right there. If you guys are wondering, I have Winter Candy Apple, one of my favorite candles for the winter time. So we're gonna add that right there. And then I have this fun little bottle brush tree too. So I think I'm actually gonna add it on the lamp just like that. And it looks perfect, you guys. I'm obsessed. And then lastly, we have to add our fun little polar bear, which is also a candle holder. So this guy's just gonna go right there next to the tree. And then this bottle brush tree, I'm trying to decide where I wanna put it. I think it's gonna go by the window just so we can have a little bit more of a pop of color over here. So let's just go ahead and add that. Maybe we'll add it on top of this candle, I don't know. I'm just like playing around. I might change things later on, but I think it looks good. Alright you guys, so we are now finished decorating the whole entire room for Christmas. I hope you guys enjoyed this little decorate with me type of video. This video is a little different for me. I've never done a decorate with me on this channel. I hope you guys did enjoy it though. I do want to do more for like all the seasons. So if you guys did enjoy this video, make sure you guys let me know down in the comments below. And look forward to seeing this background in my upcoming videos. Again guys, I hope you guys enjoyed it. This was a lot of fun. I'm feeling all the cozy and festive vibes in here. And again, I'm excited to share everything with you guys in upcoming videos. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.